So I was use same backup for I was created video on FactoryTalk View Studio basics without Factory Studio 5000. On that time I was created this backup. So now what we are going to do, you understand, we are going to link this toggle tag, we are going to this toggle tag and motor 1 tag in Studio 5000 in FactoryTalk View Studio. So you can create a animation folder, you can create another folder ft. Here you can write ft with studio. Click on ok, click on ok. You need to drag and drop here ft view studio. Other don't want, open software, open display, and here what you need to do, other thing I need to delete it. What you need to do, you need to, it's already button, if you don't have button you can take from here button. Okay, to take a button, drag it and drop it here and click on action. So now step number 3 is completed. Step number 4 is, in step number 4 you need to communicate Studio 5000, you need to communicate FactoryTalk View Studio with your driver. So how you can communicate with driver? You need to add a driver, you need to add a server. How you can add a server? So click on your project. Here you can see add server. Click on add server. It's Rockwell device server. FactoryTalk View links means Rockwell Automation device server means FactoryTalk View links. With the help of this server, you can communicate Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk View Studio both. You can communicate. You can, so here you can write name according to, you can write any name, and description also you can write. Example, Studio 5000. Example, communication driver, communication server, Studio 5000, FT View Studio. View Studio. Save the following change to shortcut with Studio. Primary change old. Device path, network path means primary change. Before create this shortcut, any other shortcut was available. There is no shortcut available. Primary before this shortcut on FactoryTalk on Studio 5000 Logic Simulator. So its new shortcut you can see device path backplane emulator version 35 11 path backplane 2. Yes, click yes, apply change, click no discard, click on yes. Always remember here you can see offline tag. You can browse the offline tag without taking online directly, and before whenever you are creating shortcut you need to ensure here shortcut type should be processor for Studio 5000 Logix Designer, and for CCW it will different. So always remember it should be processor, not connection in inactive. Keep connection will open. You can disconnect after 32 seconds, 64 seconds, 128 seconds, or 1024 seconds, means 25 into 25, 1000. Wow, nice. Click on verify. You can see here shortcut path communication network is path unavailable, communication path using data path. Here you can see shortcut name FT Studio device. Here you can see device path backplane emulator R35. It means R35 is version 35. Emulator means simulator. So network path backplane 2. It is a path of network. In path of network, you are selected a backplane. Okay, and click on OK. Okay. Communication is done. Now you can browse tag in FactoryTalk View Studio. Whatever tag you now created in Studio 5000 toggle and motor 1. Remember. And to take a button, how you can browse? Take a button. Here you can see style. You can take any style. No border, 3D, recessed, and wavelet. You can take anything, you can take any style of button. And other capture cursor, whenever select capture cursor in run mode, it will take capture your cursor automatically. You can select, otherwise if you want you can select, otherwise you can deselect, no problem. And 3D is best, so click on 3D. Recessed, it's best, good button. Here you need to select toggle, because we are going to discuss in what I told in starting. We are going to discuss how to create toggle button with color animation in Studio 5000 Logic Designer. So click on toggle tags, toggle value. Here click on tag, 3 dot, click on 3 dot. It is a browse tag, FTV Studio. It's internal tag, whatever I was created previously. You need to right click on it and click on show server name. Whenever you will click show server name, you will get FT link server. FT link server means communications. FT link server means internal server, internal tag server of FactoryTalk View Studio. And FT View Studio means this server, whatever you created now. Click on it and click on system. So here you need to create, here you need to write FT links, FactoryTalk links. Click on FactoryTalk links. You can see shortcut name FT with Studio 5000. Click on it, and here you can see online. Click on it. Here you can see toggle 1. So click on toggle 1, and here what I was told, whenever you will select tag FT tag, so before tag shortcut name will become automatically. So you can see FT with Studio, it will in bracket, and then toggle will come automatically. It came automatically. Click on OK. Click on appearance. So here you can write toggle value dash toggle value dash 0 up appearance, sorry, field 1 back style done. You can apply box rule. You can do setting one by one using box rule. You can see black style, back style means back style of button, and pattern you don't need pattern. Force color means color of caption. Back color means back color of button. You can take any color. Example, uh, 0 for 0 for 0 it's normal red. Okay, and next you write it caption toggle 1. So font you can choose any font. Example, Vardhana. Vardhana. It's type of font. You then size. You can select any size according to your requirement, and bold, italic, underline. Here you can see front, front, font style and size. If you want, so you can take image. I will discuss about on later, and we click on up down appearance. Here you can see same as a up appearance is the same as a up appearance, need to be deselect and copy and paste it here. Tag 0, toggle 0, toggle value 0, and caption should be Vardhana, Vardhana, and size, font size 12, bold. Now you can disable appearance. I will talk about later. So value 1. So value 1 for down appearance, and adjust according to your requirement, because it's only this video for learning purpose, so you can choose any length, width, height of button. But whenever you will create a project, so you need to think more about what you are going to take, what height should be, what width should be, how much height should be but of button, how much width should be of button, and all objects, rectangle, anything. To take a rectangle and click on property. Here you can see force color. Force color means border color of rectangle. You can choose any color. I'm choosing example white, black, and back color. You can choose back color, any back color. Line width, you can change width of line. Click on OK, OK. Right click for animation. You need to give color. To click on color animation, and here need to click on tag, and this tag you need to browse. You need to check motor 1. So you need to select motor 1 tag, motor 1, select tag, before tag FTBT Studio motor 1, click on OK. So whenever this tag will be 0, value 0, so on that time rectangle color should be red, and whenever tag value will be 1, on that time rectangle color should be green. Also you can click on choose blink. If you if you required, you can click on blink and click on apply. Sorry, I was taken wrong tag. I was taken toggle 1, but toggle it should be button. What is the tag? Need to ensure again and again. What is tag is toggle button, but I am taken toggle. I was created in before, so I don't want this tag. Click on toggle button, click on OK, click on OK. Click on save. So step number 3 is completed, 4 is completed. Now you are ready to test it's working or not. So in this way, whenever motor 1 tag will be 1, so in the on that time dialog box color should be red, and whenever motor tag will be 1, so dialog box, so rectangle color should be green. Click on launch AC client. How you can create a client in this topic, also I was created a video, so you can go and watch them video. Now I'm going to create again, you can see, but I will create a randomly very fast. FT with studio, click on continue. Click on local station because of this FactoryTalk View Studio I was created in local station. Click on application. With application is whatever application you open, same application you have to choose here. FTV Studio. Here you can see FTV Studio, and then initial language always it should be United States, US, and initial display example. You can create a header and click on client also, and here you can use start a macro. It was created a macro. So click on advanced setting. In advanced setting, you need to select client background color. Any color you can select. Window maximize window size. You need to select maximize window. Whenever window will maximize on that time, always select maximize window. Also you can select maximize window, a specific client window size in pixel. You can change according to pixel. In you can change pixel and allow client can be resized. So deselect on it and show title bar. If you required, you can write title bar for display. Otherwise, you can deselect, no problem. Diagnostic. Diagnostic is important because of you can see what kind of operation is running in Studio 5000. It means what kind of operation is running FTB Studio. Click on debug, enable auto disable, enable auto logout. It should be disabled. Otherwise, after 10 minutes, you can see please enter integer between 1 to 99 minutes and inactive period 10. It is by default 10. You can change this period. So I'm not going to deep. Click on save and now launch. Client is launching. Whenever client will launch, it will take some time, maybe 1 minute or less than 1 minute. You can see here diagnostic, laptop login, FTB Studio toggle tab. Laptop is login. My laptop name is my laptop. HPL means my HP laptop. HPL means HP laptop. So whenever it's driver or sync driver and you are on in last stage, how tag is working or not, how you can know? Because you are done a more effort, you are given a more effort, so you need to check and fun with your work or with your, if you are learning something new now, if you are learning something new, so just fun with and take like a, so click on button, you can see its toggle value. So here I will show you logic also. You can see logic also 0. value is 1 and rectangle color is green. Value is 0. You can see value is now 1, now value is 0. Sorry, value is 0. Sorry, now value is 0 and motor 1 is de-energized, motor 1 coil is de-energized and rectangle color is red. You can operate also from Logix. Right click on it and you can see click on toggle. Whenever you will click on toggle, on that time toggle value 1 and you can see toggle value 1 and rectangle color is green. Again toggle value 0, rectangle color is red. So I hope you enjoy this video.
I gonna share about how to control PLC tag with two buttons, 1 and 0 plus color animation and visibility in FactoryTalk View Studio. Do you want to control tags using two separate buttons, one for on, another for off, and make them respond with color and visibility? In this video, I will show you how you can do it. So first you need to create a PLC tag, but in previous video I created a PLC tag and I was explained how you can create a PLC tag and how you can write a logic. So this is a backup. So click on your backup PC, but to open your, you can see this is a logic. This logic I was developed in when I was created previous. So what inside of logic? It's nothing is more normal toggle button. This is one motor, momentary button, another motor two. But in this video, what we are going to do? We are going to do. We have a two button, but we have a one output. So what we will do? You need to create a two button. How you can create a two button tag? So simply copy run and paste run here, right click, and you need to add a new tag. So first you need to delete this tag and take a one no, and here also you need to delete this tag, take a one output coil here, example button underscore the red line. This is a showing red rung. It means in this rung you are not writed any logic. It means when you will compile it should be show error. So what you need, we are going to do, we are going to create a tag, we are going to write a logic. So I will show you how you can write logic and how you can link this tag into SCADA. So right click, take a NC and here you need to write button underscore 1 and another need to take a output energize here motor and it's already created this tag, so that's the reason already this tag is already created. This tag I was already created, that's the reason it is showing. I don't want to click on create a new tag. So tag is created. Next thing what you want to do. So next you need to download. So simply when you will press button one tag, when you will press button one tag, so button one tag will become, now it's 0, become 0 to 1. But in this condition, motor will run continuously, right? But you need to stop. So you can take another button, FactoryTalk View Studio, and same tag you need to assign. Same tag you have to assign on another button. So first you need to download. So click on Logic and here you need to open a RS Classic, RS Link Classic software. Already I explained all about of RS Classic. Communication software is open. Next, need to open Studio 5000 Logic Simulate 5868. One yes, and here you can see here Studio 5000 Logic Simulate backplane become. It is a Logic Simulate on backplane 2. You need to click on you can see backplane 1789 A17 virtual stage. 17 means 20 slot. And 2 Studio 5000 Logic Simulate version 35 you can see here, but now it's showing error. After some time it will show healthy. Now it's showing not healthy. Need to be click on major clear fault and still browsing, not browsing. Here you can see today 5000 logic backplane was not working. Created again, it's going again. 2 is today 5000 logic simulate version R35 means revision. Now no need. So you can minimize it and simply click on communication, click on active, and who is active and going to take logic. So this logic going to take 25,000 logic state. So need to be download, and in step number 3 I will show you how you can create it button. Click on download. Now logic is downloaded. You can click here from run mode. Either you can directly select here right click and click on run. You can remote run mode. Logic also in the logic also remote run mode. Step number 3 on save. Step number 3 you need to open FactoryTalk View Studio. On FactoryTalk now you can see FactoryTalk View Studio. So click on display and the button 1 was created the screen. So what you need to do for when you will press, so simply you need to take a button and either you can use same button, but so same button I was created. So this button I was taken in previous video, so same button I can take. So you can also use same button and control V, and here one button and control V here another. So one button for on, another button for off. Double click on it. Here you can see action. So in the action you need to click on this was set tag to 1 on press and 0 on release. You need to take this action set tag to 1. Click on it and click on tag. So in tag, when you will click on right click, here you can see show server name, show server name, FactoryTalk links, FactoryTalk View Studio, online. So you need to browse motor, which tag? Motor 2 tag. You can see here motor 2 from motor 1 need to be verify. It's motor 3 tag. Sorry. So need to take motor 3 tag and click on OK. So tag is assigned, and need to write here set tag 1. Journal, caption, font, down appearance can choose according to. So now for the down appearance, same as you need to, you have to click on save as app appearance, click on OK, and delete this tag button, and again copy and paste, double click on it, action, action, tag show, same. Sorry, here you need to take a button tag, double click on button, Momentary button value 0, and here action. In the action, there is a many action, but you need to take, you have to take a one action. Which action? Set tag to 1. Press on it, and tag you need to hit, and on 3 dot. Then you can see here, right click on it and click on server name. And in server name, you can see FactoryTalk View Studio FT View Studio. This is server name, means it is a, this name is project name, and inside of project name online, click on online, and here is a button 1 tag. Click on button 1, but ensure you are going to use same tag or not. Yes, same tag. Click on button 1. Okay, click on button 1 and click on up appearance. You need to write caption. You can write set tag 1, and in down appearance have to click on same as up appearance, because you are not going to click again like a toggle or like a momentary button. So that's the reason you have only one text. So one text will come same as up on OK. And second action, simple, set action, set tag 0, and button tag should be same. So and up down appearance should be same. Click on up appearance. What you need to change, what you have to change, you have to change only set tag to 0, and click on OK. So step number 3 is completed. So now step number 4, take a rectangle. So this rectangle I was used previous video, so you can use same rectangle also. Right click on color animation, and you have to give, click on expression. Whenever tag set tag 1, means whenever you will click on this tag button 1, on that time motor 3 tag will be energized. It means supply will go from left side to right side. On that time rectangle color will be changed. You can change any color first, but first you have to select tag. Motor 3 tag, click on OK, then check syntax is valid, click on OK. So whenever button value will be 0, on that time rectangle color will show green. Font, no, I don't want to green colors. You can click on fill, then you can choose, and one fill red. Example, you want line color, so you can also change line color white, and here example, you can choose any color, what color you are your requirement. You can choose whatever you, any color whatever you want. Click on apply, same. Next is visibility. So same, copy and paste this tag, right click on it, visibility, click on expression, on tag, and you have to select here same tag motor number, because you are going to give, going to give visibility, and you are going to use same tag for visibility and color animation both. Motor 3, on OK, then click on section tags, section value. So when motor tag will be 0, on that time you want visible, and motor tag will be 1, so it will be visible. Okay, example, this is not example, need to change another tag, blue. Reduce size of rectangle, line according to requirement, up, down, left, right, top, bottom. And for second rectangle, click on animation, visibility, invisible. When tag will be 0, on that time second rectangle will be invisible, means you cannot see second rectangle whenever tag will be 1. It means you can see whenever tag will be 0. And when tag motor 3 tag value will be 1, then you can see first. Then align, select, left, up, right, save, and launch client. When we'll see this series video, if you will see all videos of this series, then you can easily understand the split concept and add-on concept when I will create a video on those topics. How you can link tags with, then click on run it, edit an existing runtime client, click on edit. So I already created a client. If you don't know how to create a client, so I was already created a video on this particular topic, how to create a runtime client. You can see this. Run an existing FactoryTalk View SE configuration file. Click on it and click on run. Now you can see runtime client is creating, means it's loading. So you need to switch button 1. I was created a header footer. Here, what is a tag? You can see now tag value is normal. You can see here in logic also. You can see the logic. Tag value is button 1. Tag set 1 value is button 1. Whenever you will press, motor 3 will be turned on. You can see turn on, and rectangle 1 is visible, and color is change of the rectangle, main rectangle, right? Whenever you will click set tag 0, then what will happen? Second rectangle should be visible, and first rectangle should be main rectangle color should be changed. Understand? Again, you can see here, hit 0. Toggle button, how to use toggle button, how to use momentary button, and this is set tag to 1 and set tag to 0. Now you have a fully interactive on off control with live feedback, and that's it. You have created a two button in FactoryTalk View SE and control, and that control a PLC tag with on off state plus live color and visibility animation. But thank you for watching my video. If you learn from my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for learn more about Rockwell software. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching, keep learning, keep growing, keep sharing, and keep learning. Momentary button and how to link tag on momentary button of Studio 5000. Do you want to your HMI button to not control your PLC tag but also give instance visual feedback on color? In this video, I will show you how to use momentary push button in FactoryTalk View Studio. Link it to PLC tag and color animation so your button change color depending on state. You are going to do first, what you have to do first in Studio 5000 Logix Designer, create a bool tag. For example, here first you have to create a bool tag. So how you can create a bool tag? Here simply main program, it is a main routine, not its subroutine. If you don't know about basic, so on basic I was already created video, so you can visit on my YouTube channel and you can watch basic videos. So next is directly I will come back on topic. So click on you need to take a run. Example, here is a new run. Click on run. Run is added. Then you have to take a examine O, XIC, it means examine O, and you have to write any tag name, not button 1, 2, 5, any tag. Example, sensor 1. Example, button. If you created already a tag, so no need to write more. Whenever you will write first letter of the tag, so tag will come, you need to change only last characters of the tag. So you can change here 1 to 2. Either you can change 1 to 5 and hit enter button. Next, you have to take and no, not. You have to take examine output energize. So how you can take? Simply click on it and here you can write. Now here also here you can write motor 6. You observe if you observe here, I was already created motor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see. So 5 tag already created and I write it here motor 1 motor. So automatically it's taken motor 1. So no need to write again total tag. I want to change. I want to change only 5 to 6. Simply hit a enter. Then for the add a tag. Next, how you can add tag? Right click on it, new tag button, control and create new tags. Right click, new tag and create a new tag. So tag has been created. Next step, save. So Step number 2, you have to download program into your emulator, because I know you don't have any PLC. I don't have also any PLC, so you are using emulator. So simply you can use emulator according to, if you don't have any PLC, simply you can use emulator 1756. So simply you can use 5868 emulator. Next is click on communication. Here you can see who active, click on who active. And one thing, if you already done communication, if Studio 5000 Logix Designer already communicated with Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, then you don't need to do more. So you what you have to do, you have to download. So how you can download? Simply, already communication done. If in your PC communication is done, then no need to do more. Simply open RS Links Classic. Its driver means, like a car driver. Driver is using a driver is driving car, same like a RS Links Classic is driving both two software, Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, Studio 5000 Logix Designer, and one more software. Not both two, it means without, if we are talking with, if you are not using Emulate, then okay, two. If you are not using Emulate, then two, otherwise more. So it's driver. So so Ethernet communication and other communication, if you want to do, if you want to do communication between FactoryTalk View Studio and FactoryTalk View Studio and Studio 5000, so you have to use driver like a car driver, taxi driver, and bike driver. I was added Studio 5000 Logic emulator, but here is not showing. Why is not showing? How it will come? So here, because of Studio 5000 Logic Emulator is not open. Whenever Studio 5000 Logic Emulate will be open, then also you can browse RS Links Classic Studio 5000 Logic Emulate. So double click on it. Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, it should be so. So you can see here, backplane 1789 A17 A virtual chassis, it's showing. You can see slot number 2, Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, showing on slot number 2. Now communication is done, it means you can download. So simply click on communication and who active. Simply, it's already browsed, because previous I was downloaded on same part number, same emulator. That's the reason it's automatically browsed slot number. So no need to do more. So you need to click on only download. Click on download. So whenever I will finish this series, Basic Studio 5000 Logix Emulate and FactoryTalk View Studio, then I will start how you can create a pop-up and add-on and how you can create a UDT, because UDT is the most important in Studio 5000 Logic Designer, and parameter passing, UDT, reporting, alarm, trends in Studio 5000. Whenever I will finish this topic, now program is downloaded, but what is the state of controller? Need to be know. What is the state of controller? State of controller is, it's again showing the in fault mode. Then what you have to do? Right click. Now it's not is, now what is a state of controller? It is a not is fault mode. It is a battery fault. So no problem. Battery fault you can, whenever you will restart your PC or some. So it's battery fault. It's no, it's long. It's not any big fault. So you can run. So now program is running. Click on save. You can see here online tag value may be changed. Maybe since the last upload, online value may have since the last upload. To ensure the current value are saved. You should upload them. Upload tag value v4 saving project. If you want to upload whatever value inside of logic, so you can click S. Next step, add a momentary button in FactoryTalk View Studio. So open your software, click on display. Here you can see button page. I was created this page. If you don't know how to create page, how to do settings on this particular topic, already I created a video. So please, you can see, you can watch them and you can learn. Open your screen. No, just click on it and drag it and like it, drop it here. Then one pop-up is open. So what is saying this pop-up? You have to know because you are going to do, you, are, you have to know because you are going to connect this tag. So in the first box here, simply you can apply box rule and you can learn very easily. Here you can supply one box, right? This is a box. Appearance in the one box. It is inside of one box. So in one box is border appearance. What is border appearance? Raced, inset and line. Any border appearance, any border appearance, any border appearance you can select. So I selected raced inset. It's combination of raced and inset. Border width means width of border. You can give any whatever you want, 2, 4, 10, and border use back color. It means you can use back color, border color like a back color. So now what is the back color of button? So button back color is now blue. Then if you want to change, so untick, and whenever you will apply, you can see changed, you can see changed border and shape, both is changed. So next is solid. If you want to solid, then select solid. Otherwise, if you want to gradient, you can select gradient. In the solid, you can use only one color, but in gradient, you can use multiple color. It means only two color. Multiple color means two color only. And you can, and transparent, how you can change and how you can change and how you can set gradient color. So you can, how you can change and use gradient color. In the next what is in next box? So in next box, button setting, normal open, normally close, either value. So if you are going to use, it means button action will be normally open. It means in normal condition it will be open, means now button is normally open. You should take normally open and hold time. It means if you select, whenever you will select 500 millisecond, it means you have to hold your finger on mouse 500 millisecond. Then only operation will, then action will be never happen. Next is touch margin. It's not most important, but if you want, then you can give some margin of touch, left, right, top, button, vertical and horizontal margin. Audio. Next box is audio. Whenever you will select audio, whenever you will select audio, then after that, when you will click button in the runtime, so in the runtime it will give a one audio. In the runtime, button will give one audio. Next is one, totally one journal option is completed. So you can click apply. Next state. So here because it's momentary button, so you can use only two state, either 0 or 1. So example, here it's also journal and one box, so you can select one box. Here in gradient color, you can use gradient color and how you can implement. So now you can see gradient color. So here is start color example red and end color example any one color, you can select blue, dark blue, and use vertical. You can use four color in vertical. Horizontal, you can use horizontal four color. It means you can see here style. You can see here style, and whenever you will select horizontal to vertical, in vertical also style. So now I'm not going to deep because it's already spent. So you can see all video and select any color and close. Select any color and select any color and you can click on OK. Blink, it will automatically, whenever you will click, if you will click on blink, so blink will be, button will be blink automatic, no need to do anything. Pattern color, because you not using any pattern, so no need to use pattern color, because here is many type of the pattern. Here many type of the pattern, you can use pattern color, but you not selected any pattern, so you don't want to use pattern. And next box is caption. In caption, what you want to write, example, you can write simple momentary momentary button. Insert variable, it's very important topic, but I will cover this is insert variable how you can use in later in advanced topic. And font, you can use any font, example Rockwell. You can use any font, I'm not telling you can, you can use any font, not only Rockwell. And size of font, you can choose any size, and if you want then you can select bold, italic and underline. Bold, italic, underline. Caption color, so select on caption color you want, you can choose any color, either red, yellow, green. Example, you can choose sky blue. And caption back color, no need to use caption back color. If you want then you can use caption back color, but when you can use, whenever you will select solid, then also only then you can use caption back color, either you cannot use. Transfer, caption blink, i I already explained blink, background blink. The same thing for caption blink. When if you will select caption blink, so caption will be blink. Caption will blink automatic. You no need to write any script or no need to give any animation. Image, if you want, you can use image also. And it's image setting. So now I'm not going to explain anything about image. And common, in the common you can see its button look like this, and you can change color of text. It's not looking good. Okay, momentary is looking good. And tell 14 bold, now it's looking good. And common, in common you can select normal in size, height of button, width of button. Top means where it's placed now where Now button is where placed in screen. This is a top of left, top and left. Name of button is Momentary but push button 2. Tooltip, it's good topic and it's very important. You can write Momentary, then apply. You can write Momentary button 1. So about tooltip also, whenever in runtime, whenever your cursor will hover on runtime, whenever mouse will on cursor, so then momentary one test will be so near about button. Next and last step is last action is color. In the color you need to, here you can see FT View Studio. It is a server of, it is a project, means it's server of FactoryTalk View server name. Click on online. So here you can see all tag whatever you created in Studio 5000, but you now you don't want to need, you don't need all tags, you need only one tag. So you can select Momentary button, but which tag you need to take? Momentary button, not button 5. So click on button 5 and here click on OK. Okay. One action is completed. Second, color animation for copy and paste rectangle, because no need to take again and again rectangle. Align, right click, you need to give color animation, color. You need to select color animation. So it was, I was taken in previous video, so I need to delete this tag and need to click expression, need to click tag. So which tag you are going to use? So you can use any tag, whatever you created tag in your logic. So I created 6, so I will use 6, motor 6. Okay, can check syntax is valid or not, then click on OK. Here you can change line color, example black, and in zero condition should be red. Apply, close, then save. In last stage for testing, because you developed logic, you develop button and rectangle, you need to know it's working or not, because you given effort, you learning. So you need to know you are going to right track or wrong track. So how you can know? With fact. How you can know with fact? How, where is your fact? So simply you can open a runtime server. So I already created a runtime, so I no need to create again and again. I will open directly. If you don't know how to create a runtime server, so you can visit on my YouTube channel and you can watch my latest videos. Button, so it's showing near a button, and caption, you can see capture cursor. Now now it's showing capture cursor. So now whenever you will press button, so because you choose you during development, whenever button will press, it will become normally open to normally close. So now see how it's working. Now you pressed, and what is the color of button? You can see. Now you can see, now you pressed. Now I am going to press, and please observe and please observe and always remember, please observe and do same thing in your SCADA and your PLC. I'm telling again and again, because you can motivate yourself, because I was once upon a time I was do same things. So I am creating a video, so you can also learn, but please don't create a video. So now you can also learn. If I cannot learn, then you can also learn. Now it's you can see it's color. Now you can see color of rectangle is showing green, and Now let's make button respond with color. Right click, not. Whenever press a button, so button color will change. You can see button color is changed whenever you will release button. Whenever you will release momentary button, then button color will be come back on last same stage. And in logic you can see now button color motor tag should be 0. Now you can see it's 0 and during press I press now. Now I cannot show because 1 minute when I'm pressing button, so on same time color is changing and logic output is energizing. So now when the operator press button, it will when you will press button will be change color. So thank you for watching my video. If you learn from my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. Rockwell software. Press tag to 1, release to 0 and press tag to 0, release to 1. Two type of button means button is one, but we can select a action. Same button you can select two action. One action press tag to 1, release to 0, and second action press tag to 1, release to press tag to 0, release to 1, vice versa. Because of when you will learn how to use, how to create a pop-up and add-on instruction, so all this button combination you have to use it. So that's the reason I am starting this series combination of button Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk View Studio, so that you can easily understand how to use button. So let's see how you can create. So first you have to create a tag. So for the tag, here click on controller tag. You need to add a tag. Either you can add a first tag, either you can directly write a logic, and you can add a new tag. There is a two option. So better option is directly click on program and his main routine Studio 5000 with FT. I was given name for video purpose or training purpose, and also you can give any name for the learning purpose. So here you can see one run, click on run, and take a one examine on means and no contact. Here you can write BUTTON button 3. I was created some button previously, that's the reason here is showing. So button 3 and output coil. Here you can write any tag, not motor one. You can write any tag MOR motor underscore motor underscore 5 4 motor motor 4. So how you can create tag? So click on right click on tag, right click. Here you can see many options. So simply for the add a tag, you need to click on new button. Here is showing button 3 tags. You can write any description if you want, and downside you can see base. Base means memory tag. It means it is not, we are no, you cannot connect this tag to PLC input tag, means PLC card input tag. And channel number, you cannot connect this tag with channel number. So that's the reason, because it's memory tag, it will contain memory of inside of PLC. You cannot connect directly to the input. For the input I will explain later in my coming videos. Alias, we are not doing alias. You don't need to select alias for memory tag. alias you can select for IO tag. I will explain in later. In my coming video, I will explain when I will explain how you can do IO mapping on that time. So here you can see also Studio 5000 YT. FT means its scope of program. You can see here Studio YT FT. So this is a name of program. That's the reason here is showing Studio YT FT scope. Read write, because you can read and write both. This tag from SCADA you can write and also you can read. His style should be decimal because you are going to use 0 and 1 number. So number, whenever you are going to use number, so number should be decimal. It's very common things. Same tag is created, motor 3 tag, a new tag, motor 4, click on create, 2 tag is created. So I will explain same tag how you can use press tag to 1 release to 0 and press tag to 0 release to 1. Either you can create another tag, control W. Next tag for press tag, this tag is for press tag to 1 release to 0, this tag is for press tag to 0 release to 1. So button 4. Either you can edit this tag button 3 to press 1 release 0. You can write press 1 underscore 1 press 1 release 0. Release 0. Same for button 4, you are going to new tag, create a new tag, so paste same tag and this should be press PRESS, press 1 0 and release 1. Great. This spelling is wrong, so need to be right. Press PRESS. Like so, and here also you need to create a new tag. So it is a motor 4 tag, need to be changed motor 4 to motor 5. And also it's one shortcut I will please observe one shortcut. You can directly use control W, and control W, click on create, it's created, click on save. So step number 1 is completed. Step number 2, you need to download this program into Studio 5000 Logix Simulate. So for the download program, simply click on communication and who active. If you don't know about how to connect Studio 5000 and Studio 5000 Logix Designer and Studio 5000 Logix Simulate, so on this particular topic I was already created a video, so you can watch also those videos. You can watch all these videos for better understanding. If you don't know, let's click on download. Communication already done between Studio 5000 Logix Simulate and Studio 5000 Logix Designer and driver means driver. Wrestling Classic. That's the reason here it directly showing slot number and I'm going to download. So if you already if you in your laptop communication is done, so no need to communicate again and again. Only software should be open. Here you can see wrestling is already open. If software is open and communication is done once time, so no need to communicate again and again whenever you will open software. So but when you will open means when software will open, so need to select one only, it will automatically communicate because path is already selected, so no need to add again and again. Simply click on download. You can see program downloading is downloading, program is downloading. It's now finalized download. Now it's downloaded.
and reading change. So now you can see that done downloading has been done. Change controller mode back to run mode. Now controller mode is in program mode. You can see here it is in program mode. So you have to select in the run mode. So click on yes, and you can see it change the program mode to run mode. So next steps, you need to open FactoryTalk View Studio. So you can enter FactoryTalk View Studio. So in step number 2, simply open your display. So I was created a one display, so I will use same display. So now open your screen. So here there are two buttons I was taken before. So same button I'm going to use. Simply double click on it. You can see, you can select any you can see style. You can select any style, no border, 3D, recessed, recessed and wavelet. You can select any style whatever you want. Example 3D. And here you can see capture cursor. So for the detail about button, I was created particular topic also on the button, and I was explain each and everything on button. So I'm not going to detail any, I'm not going to explain in detail of button. Action, I was previously taking one tag, so here set tag to 1, release to 0. So simply you need to take it button, drag and drop it here. So here is by default is selected 3D. So in other also you can select capture cursor. Capture cursor means during online, during runtime, button will capture automatic your capture cursor of your laptop. So you can select if you want, either you cannot select. Now I'm going to, so now I am selecting capture cursor. Index 4, it means index, how many index it's taking. Highlight when object has focus. Whenever your cursor will be focused on button, so on that time button will be highlighted with green color. Action. So here you have to select action. So which action you want to select? You want to select, so which action you have to select? You have to select setting, set tag to 1, set tag to 1 on press and release to on 0. And here is a 3 dot, click on 3 dot. Sometime it's issue of FactoryTalk View. So sometime it's showing here, you can see right side is white, means it's loading, it will take some time. Right click, here you can see refresh folder. And if you don't know how to browse tag, how to communicate Studio 5000 with FactoryTalk View Studio, FactoryTalk links with Studio 5000 Logix simulate. So on particular topic also I was created one video, you can watch this. Click on show server name. Here you can see two different server, FTV Studio and FactoryTalk links. So here you need to click on FactoryTalk links. Here after whenever you will click, so FTV Studio, it is a FTV Studio. You can see FTV Studio. This is your it's your project name. Click on plus icon again. Click on plus icon, and also you can click on online. So here you can see all tag, you can browse here. So what tag I was created now, you remember I was created press 1, release to 0. Here is a 1 OK button. And next is up appearance. In the up appearance you can see journal option. बहुत पेशेंस से धीरे धीरे एक्सप्लेन करेगा, धीरे धीरे पेशेंस से, बिना प्रेशर। ये तो अपना है, ये तो अपनी खेती है, कोई जल्दबाजी तो नहीं। So here you can see
back style. Back style means style of button. Back style of button. You can select transparent, gradient, or solid according to your requirement. I'm not going to detail because if I will explain details, so video size will be increased, timing of the video will be increased. In particular topic, I was created a video. You can watch them also. Here, you can write you can write caption. Press tab. Press. You can write caption. Press tab 2 1. Press tab 1. Press tab 1. Release 0. And font, you can select any font. Here is a many font. Example, Rockwell also is one type of the font. And font size, you need to select font size. Whatever font size you want, you can select. Then force color means, and here one thing I will explain you. Please remember, always remember, you can apply box rule, means it is a one box. So focus on one box. When one box setting is complete, then you can move for the second box caption, then you can move third box image setting. So like that you can train your brain one by one. Otherwise you will confuse which action you want to use. Up appearance, down appearance should be like a up appearance. So if you want same up appearance, down appearance same like up appearance, so you can click here same as a up appearance and click on OK. So one step is completed. You can see button. So what is the size of button? Here you can see 180/49. So 180/49 column, height is 49, width is 180. Click on OK and take a rectangle. So I was taking a rectangle, same rectangle I will copy and paste. So here for the animation, click on it, click on animation and select color. So click on expression. Here what you need to do, you have to browse tag. For browse tag, you need to click on tags. You can see here all tags, whatever tag you created. So now I was created a motor tag 4. So click on motor tag 4. If you have any other tag, so you can select your tags, whatever tag you created, no problem. And here after that you need to click on OK. And here you can see check syntax. Syntax should be valid, always syntax should be valid. Click on OK, because whenever button tag will 1, so on that time, but sorry one thing here, tag motor tag should be 5, because press tag to 1 logic, no, press tag to 1 is 4. Okay, you can see value 0. ये करना ही ना पड़े कि मुझे एडिट करना पड़े, बस ऐसे हाँ, मतलब एक रफ्तार में पूरा एडिट स्टार्ट होने होगा. Value 0 means whenever button motor tag value will be 0, on that time rectangle color should be visible. Rectangle color should be red, and whenever tag will be changed, tag value will be changed, become 1 to 0, so rectangle color should be changed. Also line color you can change. Example, you want green color, you can select green. Sorry, it's green is matching, so you can select red also, no problem.
and line fill style is solid, shaded, original, and gradient. There is a three type of style. So I'm not going to explain detail, and click on apply and close. One step is completed. Button in step number 2, one step first is completed, second is in the second you don't want to do more, you need to align it, and simply press tag to 1, release 0 is completed. Now next is button is press tag to 0, release to 1. So double click on button, click on action. Here you need to select action, set tag to 0 on press and to 1 on release. Click on it. In up appearance you need to change only one thing. What you need to change press tag to 0. So release to, and action you need to take tag also. So I hope you remember which tag I was created. You can see press 0, release 1. Click on it, then click on OK. You can see press tag 0, release 1. Same thing, right click on rectangle. Here you can see animation, then you can see color. Click on color and click on expression. You can delete this expression. Then you need to click on tag. Here you can see all tag, but you need to only one tag. Which one? Motor 5. In your case maybe motor 3, motor 4, or any other LED or any other tag, because it's basic, so I'm not going to explain this more detail. Click on OK, check syntax, OK. In this condition you can change color. Example, fill color is you need blue, fill color you need yellow, and in one condition when value will 1, so fill color you need blue. Apply and then close. For testing you need to create runtime. So I was created runtime, so I will not create again. If you created runtime once time, so you need no need to create again and again. You can use same runtime again and again, and whenever you will change something inside of SCADA, so run in the runtime it will uh, reflect automatically. So no need to create a runtime again and again. If you are creating, if you are changing some display setting, then you can edit directly. And if you don't know how to create runtime, so you can see my latest video how to create a runtime in 30 minutes. So double click on runtime. So now I not edit anything. I not edit anything, but here now in the runtime it should be reflect. So you are very close to know about how is working. So tag is press 1, release 0, and motor output is 0. And if you remember, in 0 condition, which color I was taken, you can see here. 0 condition red, and line color is black. You can see red back color and line color is black. And in one condition, line color is red and fill color is black. So same it should be reflect here. So observe, I am going to press
So during press you can see when I'm pressing, in this condition tag value become 0 to 1. I cannot show tag, I cannot show logic now, but now because of its property of when I will click here, it will automatically close, logic will be closed, but you can see I cannot split more, otherwise I can show you, but it's 100% working. You can see same tag I pressed. Now you can observe border color is red and back color is green, and in this condition press tag 0, release 1 whenever, because it's tag already 0, tag value you can see, press tag 0, press 0, release 1, tag value already 0. So whenever you will press and release, so in after that when you will release again, so tag value will be become 0 to 1. So it means when I will press, what should happen on that time, color of rectangle should be changed, right? So let's see it's changing or not. So I pressed and I released. I'm not doing anything now. So let's see in the logic what happening. You can see I pressed and released. So when I released, it is 0 to 1, vice versa. I I was pressed and when I was released is from 1 to 0, and in this condition is from 0 to 1. And you can see motor 5 means it's tag only, not motor in actual. Motor 5 value is tag value is motor 5 output is energized. If whenever press again, whenever you will press in till now only, now it's I pressed and continuous I pressed, pressing. When I will release, become it be 0. Now I pressed. Whenever you will press this button, so you will observe button value is changing from 1 to 0, and when if you will release, it's 0 to 1 again. You can see again here 0 to 1.
Maintain push button in FactoryTalk View Studio and how to link tag of Studio 5000 in button. Then with button, how you can use animation on any object, either rectangle, circle, line, button, or any other object. So, do you want to build a push button in FactoryTalk View Studio that act like a real on-off switch? If you don't know about Momentary push button and toggle button, so you can watch my old video. In this video, I will show you how to use maintain push button and color animation. It's change the color when the tag is. If you are new on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. So let's get started. First, you have to create a tag for button. For which button? Momentary button. So open your software and button. Click on new tag, create tag. Data type base means memory tag and bool means 0 and it's very basic, you know also. And Studio 5000 FT link, it is a scope. It means this tag is going to this particular project name. The scope should be select, always scope should be select your project name like Studio YT FT. You can drag and drop because sometime if you are creating a tag, so sometime main program will select. So click on create. Same here, motor 7. And right click new tag and click on create. So tag has been created, means step 1 has been completed. In the step 2, you need to open FactoryTalk View Studio SE, means side edition. It's very basic. I think you know SE means side edition. One thing I need to tell you, this is a series of Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk View Studio. So button series and animation series. Then after that, I will create a video on numeric input, numeric display, string input, string display, how you can link this tag and how you can use. Then new series will be start on add-on instruction, which is that is the most important for SCADA developer and Logix developer, because of add-on instruction and pop-up is very important. So you need to understand basic first, then you can use this buttons, you can use all buttons and animation with Studio 5000 add-on instruction. So let's see how you can use this tag in FactoryTalk View Studio. So open your software FactoryTalk View Studio. You have to open your screen. If you don't know how to create a screen, how to create a display, how to do how you can how to create a display, how to do setting, how to make a folder, so you can watch my previous video on this particular topics. So now this button one, it is a series of the button, because it is series of the button, that's the reason I created a one folder ft view ft with studio and one button one. So I'm going to tell you now. So now you have to take a maintain button, just drag and drop it here, like this. Here you can see many property of the button, and one is a very basic and very easy rule. With the help of you can learn anything, and not everything but anything, whatever you are thinking about to learn. So here is box 1. You can see small border on the side of this rectangle, right? Appearance, this is his border. So you can focus on this border. Then next border, then next border, then last border. So here you can see border style. It means style of the border of this button. You can select a recessed inset, and line. So example, inset border width of the border width of button. So you can select any width, but 2 or 3 is enough. And next is border use back color. So you can use border color like a back color, means border color and back color same, you can use same. Border and back color, both color you can use same. If you don't want to use same color, so you have to click on, you have to deselect it and here highlight color. When your cursor will over on its button, so on that time button will be highlighted with green color. And next is back style. Back style means style of button, so you can select transparent, gradient and solid. So solid is okay, because in previous you can select any style, and in previous video I already explained how you can use gradient, because it is a gradient button. Shape rectangle, it's okay. So one box is completed. In the next box, what is the in the next box? Next state. It means when you will press the button, when you will press this button, so tag value 1 become 1 to 0 to 1. When you will press again, become 1 to 0. So it will state how state will change according to value or according to current state. So current state and value control, so need to be always select current state. And after that, if you will press button, so button will give a voice. Next is state, so you can apply. Next is state. Here you can see state 1 0 and state 1, because of in the maintain button you can use only two state. So in state 0 and state 1, back color can use any color, example gray, and border color, example sky blue. Okay, so now you can see border is sky blue color. If you will select border, use back color, and you will apply, you can see border like a back color. So that's the reason. So if you want border color, so you need to select border, use back color. And state, here you can see blink. In the blink, in blink, when you will press, it will button will be blink automatically with two color: border color, back color, border color, back color, back color, border color, automatic. No need to write any script or any other logics. Caption, you can write tag 1, and you can select any font, whatever, which font you like. In which font you like, you can select any font. And here also you can select size of font, bold, style, italic. It's very common. Caption color, so you need to, if you need to select caption color, so you can select easily caption color, example black. And caption back color is, can select caption back color is yellow. But when caption back color you can use, if caption back style you selected, if you selected the caption back style is solid, then only you can use caption back color. You can see tag 1, right? So normally in my experience I was not use this tag 1 with back color. So that's the reason, if you want you can select. Tag 1 is looking very small, so need to be change size of tag 1. Oh no. Okay, now it is okay. And now here you can see is very common, very easy function, caption blink. Caption means if you want to blink, if you want to blink this caption, so you need to select caption blink. Caption will be blink automatic like a border and black color. Same function is here also. Its alignment, if you want to, you can align left, align right, align top, left, align top right, top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left, bottom right, center bottom, top bottom. So you can still align text according to your requirement. And image, I will explain in coming video how you can use image. So now I will discuss only main topics. Connection, so click on connection. Before need to, so state 1, sorry, it's state 1 copy, and for state 2 you can directly paste all state, and here tag 0. For the zero condition, you can change back color of button. Any color you can choose, and border color of button. For learning purpose, you can choose any border color, any back color, any caption back color, any size, any font. But please listen carefully. If you are planning to build SCADA for any client or any project, so on that time you need to select a specific color, back color, border color, and caption blink, images and size, font, italic, bold, underline is important or not. So you need to choose according to your customer or according to your company requirement or according to standardization of your company. I will tell you in coming video where I will explain how you can create a pop-up. So in the pop-up I will use standard color. So same standard color you need to maintain in your future. Maybe some time color will change for normal condition, but in plant packs DCS it's high level SCADA. So in the DCS, in plant packs and in plant packs DCS, in plant packs DCS, you don't want to do more things. You need to assign only tag, and faceplate will work automatically. It's very higher level I'm saying. So now first you understand basic, then faceplate, then DCS faceplate, then trend, alarm, BBA coding, trend pro, trend, step sort, event, macro, parameter passing, and data logger, alarms, alarm history, and trend history. Many things in SCADA I will explain in coming videos. So enjoy learning. And now it's zero. Click on OK. Save. Need to be download program, but before download, you need to open F. RSLink driver, because without driver, any car cannot run. Now, car also without driver, bike cannot run. So this is a driver. So without driver, FactoryTalk View Studio and Studio 5000 cannot run. Driver is open, and it's very basics. So here driver is open. So need to see in driver your logic, your emulator is showing or not. You need to refresh again and again, because you don't need to refresh, click on refresh, because you can see here it's auto browse, so it will browse automatically. No need to click on again and again for browsing. If it's deselect, then you need to click on refresh. So it is open, but still it's not showing. So need to we know why it's not showing. It should be so. Also now it's in, because of it is not showing, it because Studio 5000 Logix emulate is in fault mode. So clear fault, and need to be select driver configure. So you need to select desktop, laptop. So now you need to select, this is the IP address. So you need to select here. FactoryTalk links desktop. It is taking automatically whenever Studio 5000 will open. It will take automatically after, and sometime it will show automatically. So here you can see backplane 1789 A17 slash A. A17 means 17 slot chassis. You can see its total number of chassis is 17, 0 to 16. 17 slot chassis A series. Expand. Here you can see in the on second slot Studio 5000 Logix embedded is installed. Minimize and need to download. So click on it. Click on communication, selected path. If path already selected, then you don't need to select again and again. Communication who active. Show path matching serial number. You can select it and click on download. Click on enter. So now program is downloading. After download, what you can do? You can browse tag, which tag? Button 6 and motor 7 tag. So it's in program mode. You need to select in run mode. So right click, click on run mode. Now you can see it's remote run mode showing. And next you need to select tag. So double click on button connection. And connection here you can see tag. In the tag here you need to right click and show server name, FactoryTalk links, FTBC Studio, online. Click on online. Then you can see here all tags. So tag number button 6, okay, apply and okay. So same thing, you need to use color animation. So for color animation, it's motor, example it is motor 5 tag. If you want to replace, so control R, you can replace 6, sorry, it's motor 7. So 6 with 7. So find and replace is very easy. So you can replace if you have same tag and last number is changed, valve 1, valve 2, valve 3, valve 4, valve 5, valve 6, valve 7, valve 8, valve 9, valve 10. So you can replace only last number of valve, particular valve, angle seat valve, shut off valve, angle seat valve, auto shut off valve, any valve. Replace, okay, simple. Also you can use any other color, any other animation. You can use rotation. So I was created a motor. So command wizard analog animation. Okay. So I was created a motor. So I will take only this but motor. So you can change tag of motor. So what will happen when tag value will 1? So motor will be run. When tag value will 1, then motor will be run. But when tag value will 0, then motor will not run. And here you need to select same tags. How you can select? Simple, right click here, animation, color, FTBC Studio. So previously I was used a semi tag on this particular motor. But now you can use this tag, PLC tag means logic tag, for rotation animation on motor. Controller, other expression should be same, only this expression button tag will change. I added button tag, need to be give one space, replace and replace all. Okay. Save, and now let's check let's check it's working or not. So how you can check? You need to open simply runtime client. So you click on runtime client, launch a client, because I already launched a client, so no need to, if you launch again and again. If you launched one time, so you don't want to create again and again runtime client. And if you don't know, so you can visit on my YouTube channel and you can watch particular video within 30 minutes. So open your runtime client and let's check it's working or not. So after open runtime client, what will happen? When button value become 0 to 1, then rectangle color will be changed. Also motor should be run. It means color motor blade of motor color should be changed, and blade of motor should be rotate. Let's see it's working or not. Let's see if how it's working. Runtime client is open. Uh, so what should happen when but now tag is 0? You can see when cursor is going on button, so button is highlighting with green color. You can change color, but green color is a very visible color on screen. But nowadays industry using a normal color because it's many color, different color, green, red, giving to its side effect on our eyes. So let's see how it's working. Whenever button tag will be 1, so rectangle color should be changed and motor should be run. Let's see. Wow, motor is running and button is changed. Button color is changing and motor is running. Now you can see rectangle color is changed and motor is running. Now when button value is 0, you can see rectangle color is changed, become 1, become red, and let's check again. Motor is running, rectangle color is changed.
Multi-state button with multi-state indicator and multiple color in rectangle. If you don't know how to use multi-state maintain button and momentary button, so on this particular topic I was created a video, so you can watch them. So let's get started. So topic is, so imagine you are in a plant or you are learning and you are going to do a program. Operation is any example, you are in dairy plant or food and beverage or oil and gas or any other plant, and you need to turn you need to start a pump. Does not run only, does does not just run on and off, either start and stop. So in this video I will show you how to build a multi-state button to control a different mode, a multi-state indicator to display those mode, and a rectangle with multiple color animation for clear visual feedback. So this exactly the real SCADA system are built in food, beverage and oil and gas plants. So let's create a tag in Studio 5000. So simply click on controller tags. Already opened, so no need to click again, no need to open again. And here you need to create a tag. So right click on it and right click. Here you can write, but better is you will create a monitor tag. It's better, create a new tag, and here motor button. Always remember, tag should be always with underscore, should not be come with space or any other special characters. Type should be base because it's memory tag. Data type you can change then to int, no problem, because it's not, you are not going to use more bit of this particular tags. So next is click on, and scope always should be not main program, always should be your project name, like Studio YTFT. It's my project name, it means this program name. So you in your program also should be select Studio YTFT, click on create. So one tag is created. With this help of this tag you can operate the pump or motor, but another tag, because you need to another tag for show animation of pump, what is exact happening inside of logic. So you can create, you need to create another tag. So motor, you can write motor status, motor status, same base, and here you can change int, click on create. So step 1 number is completed. Next step, take a run, and here you need to take a button, and in this button, because this button is not, this button you can use this normally open contact only 0 and 1 condition, because it's basic, you know also. But you have integer tag, so how you will use integer tag? Because in one integer 16 bit, so 16 bit you can use in one integer, means 16 digital input you can segregate integer 1 to 16 bit in digital input. It means you can use 16 digital input for 16 digital input in one integer, and if you are using dint, so you can use 32 bits. Right click on here and double click. Here you can see one small down arrow, click on it, and here you need to write button, sorry, you can write motor. So motor is not showing, yes, you can see motor button is showing, but you don't need to use but you no need to use all bit of integer. You can see 0 to 15 means you can use 15 up to 15, 0 to 15 bit, because one integer is 16 bit. So 0 number bit you can use 0 number. And in output, what will happen when you will press? So one timer will start. When you will press, so motor will go in manual mode. Motor will be selected in manual mode. So you can take a one output coil and use motor status. Motor can see motor status. And here if you will observe, use n means not use. It means this particular bit is not used. So click on this bit. Motor status 0 means you can write a comment manual mode. Edit main. You can see here. Here you can write motor 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 is manual. Manual, only manual you can write. Manual mode. Now you can see it's manual mode. Here you can change text color from you can change text color from setting, but now I'm not going to explain. If you want how to change, if you want to know about, so it's a different type topic, I will explain later. If you want to know about, so you can comment. So one step, when you will press one time, motor will go in which state? Manual state. And when manual state will select, then what will happen? One timer will start. One timer will be start. It means when manual mode will select, so one timer will be start. So same bit you can use in input. And for the timer, you can see here timer and counter. See on timer, take left, and right here timer 1. Also you can create a array bit. Example, you need the timer, you can write here timer, you need 10 timer, so you can write here dimension 10, and name you can change motor timer. Motor timer, you can see in motor timer, same drag, and you can use one timer. So timer example, your motor will be start after 10 second, so you can write 10 second. Either according to your requirement, you can write 10 second, 20 second, 15 second, 30 second. It's depend on motor. It's depend on which type of starter you are using, dual starter or dual starter or VFD. So feedback will come according to starter. I will explain whenever I will create a video on these topics, starter, faceplate and add-on. So now is as enough. When it will select in manual mode, so timer will start, and when timer will start, then what will happen? After done bit of timer means timer is start, timer is running, it means timer is running, it means motor is starting. It's not started, but motor is starting, is under start condition. Same tag you can use, TT bit of this particular timer. There is a preset accumulator done bit and TT bit. TT bit until and unless timing will not complete. Till now TT bit will be activated. When timer will complete, TT bit will be deactivate and done bit will be activated. You need to take a output coil. So same motor state can use here. Motor state 1 means you can write a comment for motor state 1 here. Edit main operand description. Starting, you can write here starting. Starting, it means till now it's not started, it's going to start, means it's starting. Next run, next when timer will complete, means command is went to motor, and now it's waiting to come run feedback. So now, as of now, you don't have any type of starter in the field. So you don't require to wait run feedback. When example run feedback is coming after 10 minutes, it's fixed. So you can use, so after 10 minutes run feedback will come. Same tag you need to use here. Motor timer and motor timer number 0, and here you need to use done bit, means motor, you given command, motor is went manual mode. When manual mode is selected, timer will start. When timer will be start, after timer motor is starting. When motor will starting means done bit will come, then motor will be run, means run feedback is came, it means motor is running. So same tag here you need to use. Double click, copy, and same tag you need to use, and only what will change, bit of integer will be changed. You can see here used, y means used, n means not used, so you can select 2. इस टाइम पे कोई नोटिफिकेशन लगाना है. So now you prepare a logic only for start, means whenever you will give command, command will go for manual mode. When manual mode is selected, it will start, timer will start. When timer will start, and motor will be starting until and unless done bit is not come. And when done bit will come, then motor state 2, it means motor is running. You can write a comment again, motor running. Now next is when you will press again the same button, means you pressed one, sorry, here should be, okay, you pressed one times. So when minute you press one time, is went to manual mode, and manual mode means manual mode in condition your motor is started. Then when you will press again, then what will happen, motor should be stopped. So but you need to take another rung, and when you will press again, so motor should be go off. You need to be select again bit number 3. So but you need to take button, motor button, copy, and here motor button paste, and tag should be changed 1 to 2. When you will press again, then motor should be stopped. So how motor will stop and why will stop, you need to see. take a output coil, and here you can write in motor status. Same tag you need to take here, motor status tag number 3. Now when you will press again next time, then in this condition motor should be stopped. So motor will stop, but when motor will stop, when done with, when timer will off, then motor will stop. So here you can use NC of motor status 3. So first you need to write a comment, edit main operand description, motor stop. Sorry, stopping. This stopping command means in this condition motor will not stop, it will go command for start. Like here one command is going for stop, so one command will go for stop. So for stop, one timer will run. You need to take a timer and one NO coil. Same tag you need to use here. And timer 1 you already used, so you need to take, have to use next timer, timer 1 to 2. And so one timer again will start. Example, preset value is 10 seconds. But you need to know one thing, this timer is not second base, so you need to take a, you need to take move block, and you have to move second into this timer. So example, timer value, tag is timer value underscore, right click, new tag, didn't, no problem, we create a new tag, and here because of its Yon timer, and for Yon timer you need to use a multiple block, means multiplication block. So math and compare, and here is a multiplication. So in multiplication you need to give a tag, timer value, and same tag source. Example, you need to convert second, millisecond into second. So 1 second equal to 10 millisecond. It means you need to put value here. So 1 second equal to 1000 millisecond. So 1000 millisecond is, and destination it will go inside of particular timer preset value. So timer, motor timer, and motor timer preset. Double click. Now you can see it will go it will go directly 10 seconds of this particular timer. You no need to do anything. Whenever you will see, example, you put at 10, it means 10 seconds will go. Same timer you need to, same multiple block you need to use here for another timer. Tag, if you need different tag, download. Now program is going to download now. So I know you are very excited to know about how it's working. So it will work definitely, no need to think more. So now it's downloading only, downloaded, and you need to change remote program mode to run mode. Change controller to run mode, and now in SCADA part you need to change tag. Simply you can replace Control R, and this tag to you can replace state of motor. You need to refresh folder, click on refresh folder, state of motor, okay, replace all, okay, save, and idle. So here you need to change it one value because where 3 I was not taken 3 inside of logic, so you need to change 4 to 3. मतलब पूरे दिन में अगर केवल और केवल 2 घंटा काम, तो 8 बजे जा करके मैं वहाँ पे सारा दिन 8 बजे जाता हूँ, 8:40 पे जाता हूँ, सारा दिन काम करके आता हूँ, 12 घंटा चला जाता है, वही केवल 3 घंटा केवल वीडियो। ये कोर्स तो बनेगा, हो सकता है ये वीडियो 2 दिन में बने, 3 दिन में बने, 4 दिन मेंबरशिप में। So and in 4 condition you need to take 5: motor stop, motor stop, motor stopping, running, and ideal, and motor starting. Click on OK, save. And step number 1, you created a tag. Step number 2, you write a logic. Step number 3, you taken a multi-state button and you assigned a tag. And step number 4, you taken a multi-state indicator and you assign a tag. And in step number 5, you need to take a rectangle and you need to see different color inside of rectangle with only from only one color. So copy and paste same rectangle, button, right click, click on animation, here is color. And in color, you need to change first tag. Click on tag, same tag you need to use here. Which tag? State of motor. This is a tag, state of motor. You can see here FT Bit Studio. It is a shortcut name, state of motor. Apply. In 0 condition, nothing will happen. Original color. In 1 condition, it should be starting, and in 2 condition, should be running. Green. Line color you can change, and in next condition, in 3 condition, not in 4 condition, it will stopping. Motor will be stopping condition. And in 5, motor should be so in red condition. Now it's okay and save. So 5 steps is completed. So next is you need to align these buttons, all those things. Can align and button and angle, save. So now rectangle work will like a status light changing color with the pump or state. So press, let's see in runtime view how it's working. So simply you need to launch a runtime client. If you don't know how to create a runtime client, so on this particular topic I was created a video, you can watch them. You can runtime client. So you don't need to do anything because no need to create a runtime client. Simply you need to click on runtime shortcut, whatever shortcut where is you save shortcut inside of your PC, maybe desktop or if maybe desktop or any folder. So runtime is going to launch. ये काम लेकिन अकेले ही होते हैं. इंग्लिश और ये जो हो जाए ना, इंग्लिश और ये पीपीटी हो जाए ना, मुझे अच्छा खासा टाइम मिल जाया करेगा यूट्यूब करने का. 9:30 से 11:30 पूरा अच्छे से यूट्यूब हो जाएगा और इधर अपना डे यूट्यूब पीपीटी और रॉकवेल वाला कोर्स स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. तो जितना कम हो सके उतना लेना पड़ेगा मुझे कंटेंट, मतलब मुझे लगाना पड़ेगा ईयरफोन. बिना काम के well, it is in ideal condition. So now you can see motor is stopped. So what you need to do, you need to start a motor. It's in ideal condition, motor is stopped. So you need to press once time. So you can see in multi-state indicator, motor is starting, motor is starting, showing a text with green color, and now motor is running. It's showing motor running with green color. And whenever you will press stop button, means manually start button, now you will press stop, means you will press again. So what will happen, it should be show which color, dark black red color with stopping. Now you can say, see it's not dark red, I think something other color. Motor is stopping, and here you can see motor stopping. Now motor is stopped, and you can see motor stop color is red, and text of motor is motor stop. Status of motor is motor stop. So as of now, you can use these things in dairy, beverage, and any other industry. So thanks for watching. If you learn from this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. Keep watching, keep learning, keep growing, keep earning, and never miss, keep sharing, because you should add value to other people.
About how to use ramp button in FactoryTalk View Studio, and how you can link tag with Studio Factors or Logix Designer in integer and either word and double. How you can simulate tag and how you can increase or decrease any integer, either double integer, either long integer value. Have you ever needed to adjust a process like increasing or decreasing any temperature set point, labor set point, flow set, temperature set point, labor set point, set point, or any other transmitter set point, or fine tuning a process set point in oil pipeline or directly from HMI. So in this video, I will show you how you can use RAM button FactoryTalk View Studio, every time so that every time you press it, the value of tag increase. Either you can decrease also. I will show you how you can increase and decrease both. Let's like a real any set point TT, LT, FT, CT, PDJ, TWT. It means temperature transmitter, labor transmitter, flow transmitter, conductivity transmitter, or any other mass flow meter. And so first step you have to create a tag, and where this tag, how first you have to create a tag, and you need to write a logic simple one. So I will show you how you can use this button, and then you can use same button where you want. So let's see how you can use. If you know how you can use, then you can use anywhere. First, you have to know how you can use. So take a run, simple, and here is no. You can write directly RAM underscore button. Always remember, in Studio 5000 you have to write after tag underscore. Without underscore, tag will not create. Here you can see create a new tag. Here you can see new RAM button, tag name, and control W. Also you can use control W and other no need. So click on RAM button. Here you can write any description, use this controller because it's already selected. Here you can see Studio YDFT means its scope of your projects, and alias means alias. So base need to be select base and no need to select alias, and you can take bold tag, and here type means base means base means memory tag, and data type is bool. No problem, you can take bool, but better than create a RAM button. Okay, you can take bool. And scope you can see here is project name. It means here you should take project title, means project name, it will automatically come. Always remember, you should not never be select main program, because in main program is it will create an internal tag, and internal tag you cannot communicate with FactoryTalk View Studio. Studio YTFT, click on creates, one tag is create. But remember, you are going to create a RAM button, you are going to increase set point value, so you have to create integer or word and either double word value. So you need to take, you can take a compare, and here you can see move logical move value. So in move value, you example, you have any plant, and in the plant you want to maintain the temperature.
temperature or any pipeline, in the pipeline set point for the oil or something else. Make a real flow data. So for here you need to create a tag, integer tag example LL0 means level LT0 LT0, it means level transmitter 0. Right click, here you can see new tag, click on tag, it's created, tag is created, is dent, and here you can write a, so here you need to take a ram button, so click on ram button and drag and drop it here. In the ram button you can see box rule, you can apply box rule. In the box rule, in the appearance you can see border, style of the border, you can change recessed inset and line, any border style you can choose. And border color you can change to 4 6 or you want. Border use black color, you can use border color like a black color. So if you want to use same color like a black color of the border color, so in this condition you don't want to uncheck, otherwise you have to uncheck it. And back color you can change any color, example normal, this is okay. And border color you can change black, either what your requirement. Style of back, gradient and transparent. Here you can see rectangle and use variable. One box is completed. In the other box, you can see here, use variable lower slash upper limit. For the lower and upper limit, you can change. For the upper limit, you can change variable. You can set directly upper limit and lower limit from the variable. It means for analog value, there is a engineering set point. So in the from the engineering set point, there is a high. It means low range and high range. So for the low range and high range, you can take directly tag here. Here in the limit, you can take directly tag. Either you can, if because lower and higher range of the engineering value is not going to change, it means it fixed value whenever you will use this concept. So always engineering value will be fixed. So you can enter directly, either if engineering value is something is going to change, so you can assign tag here in the journal. So example upper limit is 100 because of here is a 90 is high level, high set point. Upper limit is 100, RAM value is 5, means after 5 RAM value will increase after 5 difference between 2.25. RAM value will be increased after 5 difference, means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and like that. And value will should not go after 90 because 90 is higher range. Because 90 is higher range. So here 90 should be higher range. And label, you can write a label. Example label set point. Font, you can select any font, Rockwell, in the Rockwell. And size, you can change any size, not any, but it's limitation, but for your understanding, you can example 20 or. And if you want to click on board, here is some
caption way, so I will cover in my coming videos. In basic part 2, its basic part 1 is completed. All video basics on FactoryTalk View Studio, and basic part 2 will come in later after add-on pop-up concept. So here caption color you can change. Example, green. Apply. Green is looking okay, but not looking good, so you can change yellow. Yes, yellow is looking a bright color. Timing, you can setting auto repeat, but it's normal. Auto repeat delay, you can change delay, means when you will press 1 2 3, so it's not most important. And here tooltip is very good option. LT01 means level. SP01 means level set point 01 means level SP01. Example is set point. Here also another way, strings numeric and strings numeric and data type. This is also way you can change tooltip from here. You can change tooltip from the tag. If you want to change tag from the logic, so how you will change? You need to open SCADA again, right? But without open SCADA, how you can change tooltip without open SCADA? Apply and connection. Here connection, you need to take a same tag. Which tag? So you know you created a tag. Tag name is LT set point. So you can take directly here LT, and here is a LT set point need to be search. But directly you can write L, so you can see label set point. Click on OK, apply, OK, save. But if you want to monitor this tag, it's increasing or not, means LT set point is increasing or not, either BFD set point is increasing or not, any set point LT, TT, LT, FT, CT, PT, ZT, WD, BFD, any set point, analog set point, you need to be increased, so you can increase directly from here with two range. Numeric input, you can take numeric string input display, and here you can monitor. Click on tag. In the tag, same tag you need to monitor. You need to choose same tag. Click on OK. Click on syntax. Syntax is valid. Then format is decimal, means number, and overflow no need. And this digit grouping you can select. Justification, it means from 0, from left, from right, from left, from right, from center. It is show blank or 0, so you can select 0 0 0. So it is show 0 0 0 in the runtime. You can see here 0 0 0, right? So step number 2 is completed, and in step number 3 you have a you need to take a rectangle. Why? Because of you want to know what is where set point is reached or not, means high high high, low and low. So for that you can take a rectangle like this, and here you can see fourth color. Fourth color means line color of rectangle. So you can choose any color, example black, apply. In the rectangle, when rectangle, according to logic, when LT0 means LT set point is moving to LT0, right? Sorry, LT set point is moving to LT0. When LT0 will equal to the 5, when LT0 value will be equal to the 5, so in this condition LT low set point indication should come, and when LT0 means LT01 value will be equal to the 45, so in this condition LT high set point should be shown. And when LT01 will be equal to the 19, so in this condition LT high set point equal, you need to will be shown. So here right click on animation, color, and for the color click on tag. You need to find same tag, so it's already here, LT set point, click on OK. So when LT set point is 0, so you can show any color, example blue. When LT set point is equal to the 45, so in this condition you can show different color. 45 means without any alarms. So normal condition means low value. So in the low value you can choose normal red color. It's not normal red. And 45 when value will be 75. So in this condition line color will be black and fill color will be blue, not yellow. And third condition, when LT01 tag will be 90, so in this condition line color will be black and fill color should be red. Click apply and close. So in this condition, because it's run button, so when run button will activate, so in this condition LT set point will go, it will move, LT set point will be moved LT01. So for that you need to activate this button, so you can take toggle button, so already here, so it's toggle, now it's okay. So in the action you need to take same tag, so click on three dot and same tag, toggle ram button, so you can click any on any tag, and when you will press R, so you can see ram button, only one tag with the R, so ram button is came. In the up appearance you can write ram 0, and in the down appearance you can write ram 1. Color you can change, example ram 1 is green color, and up appearance ramp, sorry, it's ramp 0 is yellow color. Apply, you can give a dash, okay. So now almost it's completed, so need to be know it's working or not. So if you don't know how to create a runtime client, so in my previous video I was already created a video how to. So if you don't know how to create a runtime client, so on this particular topic I was created a video how to create a runtime client and how to do setting. So you can watch old videos. already created. So let's see it's working or not. So click on if you have already created a FactoryTalk view. If you have already created a runtime client, so you don't want to create again. But if you not created, so you need to create a runtime FactoryTalk view runtime SE client. So run an existing FactoryTalk View SE client configuration file. It means you already created a file. You need to run only whatever you will change. So change will reflect automatic. No need to change anything. Click on run. According to data of how much screen you created inside of FactoryTalk View. FactoryTalk View के बहुत high level color बनते हैं. So let's see button 1. So now you can see in the logic, I will show you in the logic what is the value of RAM 0. So you can see RAM is not activated. First RAM should be activated. So RAM is 1. Now RAM is 1. You can see in the value logic RAM is 1. So now you can see RAM is activated and LT set point is 0. So next you need to increase set point of LT, and best thing you can see here LT01 level SE means set point 01 is 0 0. So first click on it. Oh my god, you can see it's 001, but it's not looking good, right? You can change from 001 to direct 5. It means blank. Leading characters means remaining characters. Character. Remaining character. Click on OK and save. Then you can see how it's looking. It should be 05. Again 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And when set point will be equal to the 45, in this condition, rectangle color should be changed. Wow, it's changed. When again will change, it means now it's Lolo. Set point Lolo, you can see here in the logic, it's activated. Label high activated. Sorry, should be no problem. Label high activated, and when it will equal to 50, equal to 50. So in equal to 50 also same tag. I think something I change, something is missing. So you need to check what's happening. In the color should be 45, 75. Okay. So it should be 75, not 45. Should be 75, 75, 75, and here you should write 50. Apply. Okay. Save. Then finalize. Finalize our program. Save. Yes. So now you can see here is equal to 50 and showing red color. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Now is 75 means high, set point value is high, means label high, set point. Now next is you need to observe when LT01 will be equal to the 90, when LT01 value will be equal to the 90. So after that label high set point will energize, and when label high set point will energize, so in this condition color of rectangle should be changed 75 and 80, 85 and 90. You can see it's showing red color. It means it is working. So and that's it. You created a RAM button in FactoryTalk View that can increase or decrease the value dynamic with live color animation feedback. Whether you are working in industry or temperature transmitter, label transmitter, flow transmitter, connectivity transmitter, and AF pressure and analyzer, AIT controller, or LIT, any other set point. So on the set point, you can change value of VFD. So with the help of RAM button, you can increase the value. So thank you for watching my video. If you learned from my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update about Rockwell Automation. So see you in the next video. Till now, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing, keep earning, and never forget, keep sharing.